have the bottle that has the organic material that's been decomposing for a few days. And here we have the bottle that's been collecting the methane that's been produced by the decomposing matter in here. You can see we have a bunch of fruits and veggies, and it's been decomposing, so it looks all gunky and gooey and weird, bubbly. And here we have a valve where if you can just take this little part of the top off, and it can sustain a flame, whether then if you just light it on fire, it'll go boom. And here's the tube that connects the two bottles. The methane will go up and over. There's two results we're looking for in each of my three experiments. The first is that we can collect methane in this bottle. We can prove this by the methane being produced in here will go into this bottle, and at the beginning of the experiment, we squeeze and suck all the air out of it so that when the bottle was filled up, was full, we knew that it was probably either methane, it was more likely methane in the bottle than any other gas. The second result is that we can combust and use it as an alternate fuel or energy. We can prove this by sustaining a flame in the valve. Here I have the materials that have been decomposing, and here I have the bottle that has been collecting methane, hopefully, that we will light, and the nozzle that we will release to light it and keep it flaming.
No good. It was, it's not capturing.
No. Oh, it almost on fire. No. Cool.
For the results. In the first experiment, we weren't able to see if we could combust the gas because the bottle was too full of methane and it blew off the cork before we had time to actually try and light it. In the second experiment, we collected it, but it wouldn't light, it wouldn't spark, it wouldn't do anything. That was a failure. In experiment 3, we believe that we saw a flare or a spark right here, but it wouldn't sustain a flame. So it moved like halfway on that one, but no on the other two. Well, I believe in experiment 1 we could have, but it blew off the cork before we had time. And overall, it was like partly a failure, but we did prove that we can collect it and that we can kind of use it as alternate energy or fuel.